This is the new HP 3-phase UPS. The most energy efficient, coolest running power quality system in its class. This is the UPS designed to meet the challenges of high-density data centers, where newer technology can consume up to 5 times more power than older equipment and create 3 times more heat per rack. That means you could need 2 5-ton air conditioning units just to cool a single rack, and you've got to distribute clean, computer-grade power through every rack. Gartner estimates the power will soon make up half of your IT budget. At last, there's some relief. The HP 3-phase UPS delivers clean, efficient power in only 6 U of rack space, and that includes the batteries. Operating at 97% efficiency, the UPS provides more real output power for every utility dollar, and it runs cooler. For every HP 3-phase UPS you deploy, you could save thousands of dollars per year on energy. The HP 3-phase UPS fits into a standard 19-inch rack. It has the smallest footprint of any UPS in its class, and twice the power density of comparable systems. And its modular system grows with your data center, letting you combine modules for up to 60 kVA in a parallel N+1 configuration. The HP 3-phase UPS lets you deploy it how you need it, including centralized power protection, decentralized across racks, or support of dual power feeds. To find out more about HP's energy-efficient power quality solutions for your data center, just visit hp.com.